This is my chicken tikka masala. This chicken is so juicy and tender. This is one of the most popular, most loved and most wanted dish in Britain and all across the globe. Let's get it done my way. In a mixing bowl, add diced chicken. Now I'm cooking my chicken tikka masala with diced chicken breast. You can always use chicken thigh or chicken legs with or without bones. And now marinate it with ginger and garlic paste, plain yogurt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, salt, lemon juice, and a touch of edible mustard oil. Now marinate this chicken with all ingredients well and then leave it to rest for about half an hour. Then in a pan add vegetable oil. Let it heat up and then add cinnamon sticks, cloves, green cardamom and a few bay leaves. Give it a stir and fry these spices on a medium flame for about a minute and a half. As soon as you smell the nice aromas, add chopped onion. And now give it a stir and fry this on a medium to high flame until it gets a golden tinge. After 5 minutes, the onions have nicely fried. At this stage, add fresh ginger garlic paste. Give it a stir and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until raw aromas of ginger and garlic have disappeared. While you're frying your ginger, garlic and onion, it's really important that you cook all ingredients really well. It takes a bit longer, a bit patience, but that's the secret of cooking a cracking curry. Your onions must caramelize evenly, and ginger garlic, the raw aromas of ginger garlic must disappear to get the best flavor out of your chicken tikka masala. Now your ginger garlic is nicely fried, and at this stage I'm going to add powdered spices. Now add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder and coriander powder. Put the gas setting at lowest immediately and then give it a stir. Fry these spices for about 30 to 40 seconds. To protect spices from burning, add a splash of water and give it a stir. Now whisk yogurt and add in the pan. Now give it a stir and keep stirring. It's really important because when you add yogurt into hot curry or hot sauce, hot pan, it's going to split if you do not stir it. So make sure that your flame is on lowest setting and keep stirring until your yogurt is properly cooked, and you will know when the oil comes on the surface. In about 4 to 5 minutes you can see the yogurt is nicely cooked and the oil has surfaced out. At this stage, add tomato puree. These are fresh tomatoes pureed without any water. At the same time, season your sauce with salt. Give it a stir. Now put the gas setting on highest and cook these tomatoes until the oil separates and comes on the surface one more time. It's equally important to cook your tomatoes. How long will you cook tomatoes? I'm going to show you. You'll cook tomatoes until you see lesser bubbles coming on the surface. And you'll see the sauce has separated the oil, which means the sauce is nearly ready. At this stage, I'm going to pick out my whole spices. You can do that if you don't like to bite onto them. While your curry is cooking, roast your chicken. Put it on a tray and spread it evenly. Do not overcrowd your roasting tray. Now roast this chicken at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Sauce is coming together nicely. Now I'm going to add this cooked chicken. It's about 80% cooked. I've roasted in oven with all the juices in the pan. And now give it a stir. Now coat chicken well and do not add any water at this stage. Cover this pan, put the gas setting to lowest and let this chicken simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, when you open the pan, you'll see the sauce has diluted a little bit. It's just because the chicken has released its juices into the pan. This is why I didn't add water. This is why I didn't add water in first place, because I didn't want to dilute the flavors of chicken tikka masala. But feel free to add warm water if you think your sauce is thickened, and adjust the consistency accordingly. Now give it a stir. You can cut a piece of chicken in the middle. It's nice and moist and it's fully cooked. At this stage, now put a pan on a high heat and add the vegetable oil. Let it heat up and then add peppers. Keep the flame on highest setting all the time and scorch them for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then add sliced onion. Keep the gas setting on highest and toss these. Look at these now. They're nicely scorched and they are almost cooked but still crunchy. Add in chicken tikka masala and give a nice stir. Now these squashed peppers and onions will add amazing flavor in your chicken tikka masala. And I'll finish it off with freshly chopped coriander leaves and toasted kasuri methi leaves.